Okay, so I'm going to show you, there's an actually notification app that you can install on your computer or on a few computers for you to get any Thrive notifications, not just to your email inbox, but also on your computer. When you're logged into your Thrive on whichever computer you would like to receive notifications that you have a message in your inbox, go to App Market in your black bar right here. And then there's an app called Thrive Notifications or Notifier. It may be down here, available apps. Just go ahead and click Thrive Notifications or Notifier, excuse me. This will allow any action that's coming in from Thrive to be a notification that comes into your computer as well. So then just click Launch App or Install. This screen will pop up and you can configure either all notifications or limited actions. So for example, if someone sends you a message, or you can turn on whichever ones you like to receive whatever notifications. If you received a review or what have you, then just click Terms and Conditions and allow access, and that will turn on your notifications on your computer for any Thrive message. Hope this helps.